Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is Charan. This is a part 7 of Python tutorial course using Jupyter Notebook. In this tutorial, we'll explain about the directory files management, creating a new folder or directory, reading the files from the folder, rename the folder and delete the folder, and many more we'll discuss in this tutorial. If you are a first time visitor to my channel, please subscribe to get the latest updates. Before continuing this tutorial, I sincerely recommend please watch my previous Python tutorial course. You'll get those links at the end of this video tutorial. Now let's continue the today's tutorial how to handle the folders or directories. Now first we'll check how to get the current working path in Python. First we need to import OS. After that OS dot there is a method called get current working directory CWD. This method will display the current working directory. Click run. See here we got an output. This is the current working directory. Now we'll see how to change the directory in Python. We need to import again OS, import OS dot. There is a method called change directory dir between double quotes. I want to show this C path only. I'm changing the directory to the root path. So now we'll check the get current working directory. Let's run this code. See here we got the current working path right now is a C column. Now the next tutorial will check how to get the files from this particular folder. Again we need to import the OS dot, click tab. Notice when I click tab I got small pop-up window open which contains all the methods. So in this method I'm adding list dir directory. Now in this method I'm adding the path name. Now let's run this code. We'll get all the files from this path C column. So here we got all the folders and files from this folder, from this path. Now we'll see how to create a directory in Python. So here import OS. After that OS dot mkdir is a method name. In this method name between double quotes, the folder name I want to create ABCD. Print folder created successfully. Let's run this code. The folder created successfully. We have created this ABCD folder in the current path. The current path is in C drive. So let's execute this code again. Run. See here ABCD here. Now let's check the second method to create the directory. Import OS. First I'm checking the folder is exist or not. If not, OS dot path dot exists. The path I'm adding here is ABCD123. the folder name. The folder name is exists or not, I'm checking. Colon, when I click tab, notice I got the indent. So we need to type from here after the space, otherwise you'll get an error. Os dot, there is a method called make directories. I want to make this directory name, which is a folder name. And then I'm adding the print directory created successfully. Right now in this C path we don't have ABCD123. So when I execute this code, run directory created successfully, we'll check, run. See here we got ABCD123. The folder is created successfully. Now the next tutorial, how to change the folder name. Again add the import os dot, the method name is the rename method. This rename method takes two parameters. The first one is a old path name ABCD123. I want to change this folder name or directory name to new, I'll give the capital letters, new ABCD. This is a new file, new folder name. So let's run this code. Now we'll check, run. See here we got new ABCD. And notice we don't have now ABCD123 because we have changed the folder name to new ABCD. Now let's check how to delete the folder. Import, small letters, import os dot, there is a method called rm directory. Rm directory is a remove directory between double quotes. I want to remove the directory new ABCD. Let's execute, run. It's executed successfully. Let's check in the C drive. Now let's execute this code. See, we don't have the new ABCD, the folder name, because we have just deleted. And one more important thing is the RM directory is removes only the empty folders. If the folder contains any files, you will get an error. And there is other method, empty folders. Let's make another directory. This one I'm adding XYZ. Let's execute. Folder created successfully. We'll check XYZ is added, the folder name. Now we'll delete the folder. There is a method called remove directories, DIRS. Now let's add the folder name. The folder name is XYZ. Copy that file folder name. Let's delete this folder XYZ. Run. The code executed successfully. Let's check in the C drive. When I run, notice the XYZ file is deleted successfully. And one more time I'm telling, the rename and remove directories, these two methods only delete the empty folders. If the folder contains any files, you'll get an error. And also I will show you how to delete a folder which contains some files. First, we'll create a new folder in the current path. Import os dot mkdir. I'm making a directory between double quotes. The directory name is abcde. So let's run this code, and the folder is created successfully. Let's check. See here, abcde, the folder. Now let's add some text files in this folder. Notepad. Now let's save this file in this abcd folder. This is a test file. Save as. In the Python tutorials, the folder name is abcde, and I'm adding the file name is hello. Save. Let's close this file. We'll check abcde. See here we got a hello.txt file. Now let's delete this folder. To delete this folder, we need to import. The package name is shuttle. This is a package I'm adding. Shuttle dot tab, and here we got the methods from this shuttle. We need to add rm tree. The rm tree method, it removes the tree, means the folder name. Let's add this abcde. Now let's execute, run. The statement is executed successfully. We'll check. See here, abcde has been deleted successfully. That's it.